Let's see how to create an AI chatbot with the knowledge base in the Google Sheet. So that means you can have a Google Sheet right here and put all the information in a cell, and from there the chatbot will actually work from right here. So if you want to change any sort of information right here, you can simply update whatever the information over here, and the chatbot knowledge base will get automatically updated as well. So let's see how to build one over here. So here I'm in a demo account. So first of all, you have to make sure you have connected your Google Sheet account over here. So go to settings. So in settings, go to integrations and make sure your Google Sheet account is connected. And once it is connected, click on manage over here. So let me click on manage and open this in a new tab, and let's actually connect the spreadsheet. So here, let me say this one as Google Sheets AI chatbot. So let's connect this particular spreadsheet right here. So let me add the name over here and copy the link and paste it over here. All right, we have added this one, Google Sheet AI chatbot. All right, so now we also want to create a custom field as well, where we want to save whatever the instance information we paste right here into the account, so that we can actually use this for the AI prompts. So for that, you have to go to the flows, custom fields. So let me open the custom fields over here, and let's create a custom field as, so let me name this one as knowledge base over here, and you can keep the text one over here. All right, so now let's create a chatbot flow to gather information from the Google Sheet knowledge base over here and use for the AI chatbot. Before that, let's update this Google Sheet over here. So let's have two columns, ID, just to track this particular knowledge base. So let's say ID is 1, and let's say chatbot data, and here you have to paste whatever the business information about your business in this particular specific cell. So let me show that. So we have some information about a co-working space. So let's paste that information right here, just for the demo. Paste it. Simple as that. So we have updated the knowledge base information about a co-working space over here, and the ID for this knowledge base is 1, just for the reference. All right, so now let's go to the flow section over here and create a flow. So let me name this particular flow as Google Sheet AI chatbot. All right, continue. All right, so here we need to add an action over here to gather the information from the Google Sheet. So actions, use Google Sheet actions, and here you have to choose get row, because we want to gather the information from the Google Sheet, and the spreadsheet will be the Google Sheet AI chatbot. And here worksheet should be sheet 1. So here the sheet 1 is the worksheet. All right, and here lookup columns. So here we want to filter by ID, and the ID is 1, because in the ID 1 we have this knowledge base right here. Simple as that. So here we want to save that information which we have in the chatbot data, because in this particular column, chatbot data, we already have all the information about that particular business. So for that, you have to simply save this in the custom field. So that's why we actually created a custom field before. So let's save this in the knowledge base custom field. Simple as that, and save it. All right, so we are actually getting, so let me actually make this as the starting step, because every time when a customer sends the message, we want to gather the information from the Google Sheet. All right, and now if it is successful, let's use AI. So use an AI action over here, connect this one, use actions, open AI ChatGPT. So here open AI. All right, and here you have to use generate text advanced. So let's use that one, and here business prompt. For the business prompt, instead of adding the business prompt right here, you have to simply use the business prompt as knowledge base custom field. Simple as that. And the last input here, and we want to save the output in the custom field. So you can actually add a new one, otherwise you can actually use AI output or something like that. So here we have AI output, so we can simply use this one as well, and continue. All right, and now we want to send that AI output to the customer. So let me choose curly brackets and choose AI output. So the first step is just to get the information from the Google Sheet. So here we are getting the saving the information from the chatbot data column. Whatever the information we have in the chatbot data column is actually saved in this particular knowledge base custom field, and after that we are using an opening action, and we are just using whatever the information in the chatbot knowledge base, and we are actually tracking the customer's message as well, last user input, and we are actually saving the response in the AI output and sending it to the customer. Simple as that. And click publish. So now we want to set this particular flow, Google Sheet AI chatbot, as the default reply flow. So you have to go back to the settings over here, settings, select Google Sheet AI chatbot as the default reply and click save. Alright, so now we can test how this actually works. So here this can simply works on all the connected channels automatically. So let's test this on the Instagram. So before that, let's actually delete any sort of chats for the Instagram previously. So let's actually start from scratch, and we can actually test this on the WhatsApp as well. So let me delete that one as well. All right, so now let's test this right here. So let me go to the analytics tab over here, and this is the Instagram connected over here. So let me show my phone screen over here. All right, so now I'm in Instagram. So let me send a message, hi, and see what happens. So it should actually get or send us responses from the Google Sheet. It says, hello, how can I assist you today? So now let me go to the Google Sheet over here, and let me share the phone screen as well. So here they charge for the meeting rooms, it start at $25 an hour. So let's ask, how much is for the meeting room? So let me send this message. So here in the Google Sheet we have this information, $25 an hour. As you can see, it simply works right here. So now the beautiful thing about using this particular Google Sheet AI chatbot is that you can easily update the business information from Google Sheet itself, and it get updated automatically as well. So let's change the hourly rate from 25 to 55. All right, so I have just updated the business information in the Google Sheet, and let's see what happens over here. So let me simply send the same question over here and see what happens over here. Paste it and send it. So now it should say 55. As you see, instantly it get updated in the chatbot, and it simply works right here. So now, as I mentioned, this simply works on the other channels as well. So let me open WhatsApp over here, and let me send a different message. So let me say, do you have a day passes? So they actually offer day passes, and it actually starts at 20 per day. So let's see, it simply works. So do you have any special discounts for new customers? Currently we do not have any special information about special discounts for new customers. However, it's always a good idea to contact us directly for ongoing promotions offers. Would you like me to connect your human agent for more details? So here we don't have any special discounts for the new customers. So what I can do is that I can actually update this information right here. So right here, say, and let me add this one. All right, so let me add this one as an, all right, so I have added this information saying special discounts for the new customers right here, and let's see how this actually works over here. So let me send the same message over here and see how this actually respond to us over here. And as you can see here, now it says, yes, we have a special discount for the first time customers. They can purchase the yearly plan for just $200 per year. Simple as that. So here, you can actually update special discounts on a timely basis using a Google Sheet AI chatbot. So likewise, you can actually offer special discounts on special occasions such as Christmas or something else as well. So that's a quick video on how you can actually use Google Sheet as a chatbot knowledge base for your AI chatbot. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.